Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shikha Prasad, lecturer of economics from the Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today we are learning about the variation in supply and change in supply in this video. Now we have already learned about the law of supply, exceptions of law of supply, about the supply analysis in our previous video. So here we just know what is variation in supply and what is the change in supply with the help of diagrams and explanation about the variation in supply and the change in supply. So let's start and continue with the variation in supply first. When quantity supplied of a commodity varies due to change in its price and other factors remaining constant, it is known as variation in supply. Simply, variation means the quantity supplied varies due to change in its price and other determining factor of supply remain constant. So, if a producer is selling a commodity, then due to change in its own price, he increases the quantity, and due to fall in its own price, he decreases the quantity supplied in the market. Then it is called variation in supply. So there are two types of variation in supply. First, expansion of supply, and the next one is contraction of supply. So let's start with the expansion of supply. Expansion of supply refers to rise in quantity supplied due to a rise in the price of a commodity, other factors remaining constant. It means when the producer increases the quantity supplied in the market only due to change in the price or increase in the price of the commodity, then it is called expansion of supply. As we know from the law of supply that when price increases, quantity supplied by the producer also increases. So due to increase in its own price of the commodity, the quantity supplied increases in the market. It is the case of expansion of supply. And expansion in supply leads to an upward movement on the same supply curve. It explains that the supply curve remain constant and producer will move from downward to upward direction on the same supply curve. Let's see in the figure. On the y-axis we have price and on the x-axis we have quantity supplied. Producer producing and selling OQ amount of commodity at OP price. When price increases in the market from OP to OP1, quantity supplied by the seller rises from OQ to OQ1 and producer will move from point M to point N on the same supply curve SS. This is called expansion of supply because there is an upward movement on the same supply curve and producer will sell more quantity in the market due to rise in price. So let's continue with the contraction in supply. Contraction of supply refers to a fall in quantity supplied due to a fall in price. So it is the inverse situation of expansion when in the market there is a fall in the price of the commodity, then supplier in the market will reduce their quantity supplied in the market. So seller will move on the same demand curve. There is a downward movement on the same supply curve. The supply curve remains same SS, and producer selling OQ quantity in the market at OP price. But when price reduces from OP to OP2, quantity also reduced by the seller from OQ to OQ2, and producer will move from point N to M downward direction. This is called contraction of supply. It means the quantity supply is contracted, reduced to the downward direction. It is called contraction of supply. So variation in supply, expansion of supply or contraction of supply occurs due to change in the price or increase or either decrease in the price of the same commodity. So let's know what is change in supply. When other factors change and price remain constant, it is known as change in supply. Simply, change in supply explains that not due to the price of that commodity, but due to the other factors, change in the other factors, there is a change in supply. It is called changes in supply. There are also two types of change in supply. What are the two types? Increase in supply or decrease in supply. Just like in variation, we have C. If due to increase in the price, there is expansion. If due to decrease in the price, there is contraction. So here we have also due to favorable changes in other factors, we have increase in supply, and due to unfavorable changes in supply, due to unfavorable changes in other factors, we have a decrease in supply. So let's understand how increase in supply occurs. Increase in supply refers to rise in the supply of a given commodity due to favorable changes. Sometimes here it is said that price of that commodity in the market remain constant, so it is clearly mentioned in the diagram that price OP in the market remains constant and it doesn't change with the change in the quantity supplied. Now, producer is selling OQ amount in the market at OP price. Now, if there is favorable changes in other factors, like there is fall in the price of input, the raw materials which the producer is consuming or using for the production of the good is in the market become cheaper. Now the rate of taxation, production tax in the market also reduces by the government, and there is any technological upgradation, then this will reduce the cost of production, and due to that reduction in the cost of production, at the same price producer is able to sell more quantity in the market. So at OP price, producer increase its supply from OQ to OQ1, and in this case supply curve doesn't remain same, but it shifts to the rightward direction or the forward direction from SS to SS dash, and producer will move from point M to point N on the new supply curve, as it is clearly explained in the diagram that at OP price quantity is OQ, but at OP price due to reduction in the cost of production or other factors, there is increase in supply, that is point Q to Q1, and producer will move from point M to N. Now let's understand what is decrease in supply. Decrease in supply refers to a fall in supply of a given commodity due to unfavorable changes in the other factors such as increase in price of other inputs, increase in tax rate, outdated technology, strike by workers, while price remain constant. Here also it explained that price of that commodity remains constant in the market, but supplier or the producer will reduce their quantity supplied in the market and price remain constant. It is due to unfavorable changes in the market, like there is increase in the tax rate. When the tax rate in the market increases, then the cost of production also increases, and when cost is more and price is less in the market, then producer is able to sell less amount in the market. So this will happen at OP price. Producer is selling OQ amount, but with the unfavorable changes or due to change increase in the taxation, producer will reduce their supply from OQ to OQ2, and the new supply curve will form S2 S2 as it is shown in the diagram. Producer will move from the SS supply curve from point M to N on the new supply curve S2 S2, and the total quantity reduction is Q to Q2. This is due to unfavorable changes. If the tax rate increases, there is outdated technology due to strikes by workers. These are the some reasons due to which decrease in supply occurs. But here the important thing is that there is a shift in supply curve to the backward direction or leftward direction. Now we just compare those variation in supply and change in supply. Variation and change in supply. First, variation in supply occurs due to change in the price of that commodity only, but change in supply occurs due to other factors. Variations are of two types: expansion or extension, or contraction, or and change in supply are of two types also. It is increase in supply and decrease in supply. Diagrammatically, we can show the difference between change in quantity supplied, that is called variation, versus shift in supply. Variation in supply also called change in quantity supplied, and change in supply also called shift in supply curve, because we can see that when due to other factors supply increases, then the new supply curve will form and producer will move from point A to point C on the new supply curve. But in variation, what will happen, that the supply curve remains same and producer will move either upward or downward on the same supply curve, like as it is shown in the figure, that producer will move from point A to B on the same supply curve, but due to change in other factors, producer will move from point A to C on the new supply curve. So it is called shift in supply due to change in supply, and it is called movement of supply due to variation in supply. Now we have just compared what is variation in supply and change in supply. Thus the two concepts are not same, they are different due to these factors like price and other factors determining supply. So we have completed this variation in supply and change in supply. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks again.